Hi, my name is Peter, and I have one question for you. Did you know that you are in sales all the time? Find out why. I will explain you how to get rich doing it. Today we will speak about sales and how it influences your life. One of the main qualities of a successful person is the ability to impress and influence the actions of other people. Such a person is able to cooperate with others to achieve the set goals. He or she can influence numerous people and direct their actions to achieve common goals. So the important question that arises is, how good at selling are you? In a way, everyone is involved in the sales process. From the moment you get up in the morning until the moment you lie down to sleep, you are constantly negotiating, communicating, influencing, and trying to work with others to do what you want them to do. If you're weak at sales, you're probably just being influenced by others. If you are good at sales, it means that you can constantly influence others and direct their actions towards your goals. Every excellent manager is a great salesperson. Every effective parent is a great salesperson. Great employees can direct their supervisor to help them do their job. Anyone who is successful in any field that involves working with others is, in a way, an excellent salesperson. Your task is to become a great salesperson. But many people consider sales to be something inferior and don't want to have anything to do with it. I once thought something like that too. I found that selling was humiliating when I had to stand in front of a customer and sell something to him. I had this feeling mainly because I didn't know what selling really meant, and of course I didn't even know how to sell. However, sellers are those who move the economy. They are a key element in creating demand for all products and services that ensure that people can work and produce benefits for others. Businesses are growing and disappearing based on whether they can sell a sufficient number of their products and services at a reasonable price. Everything and everyone around us are involved in sales. When you sell something, it is very important to realize one thing. People make a decision based on what outcome they get if they make that decision. This means that they think about what will happen if they buy a certain product or service. And since we all make decisions based on emotions, it's important to know how we'll feel when we buy that product or service. We all think about how we will feel and whether this feeling corresponds to the amount for which we buy this product. Imagine sitting in a restaurant and choosing from a menu. Then you choose one dish that you think currently suits you best and that you will like the most. But that doesn't mean that other foods taste bad. It just means that at the moment you feel the greatest satisfaction by choosing this option. This is exactly the way we buy food or clothing and other products. We always think about how we will feel when we wear a given piece compared to other things that are in the store for the same price. We make the purchase decision based on what feelings and emotions we expect when we get the item. The most beautiful thing about selling is that it can be learned. It doesn't matter what level of sales you are currently at. By gradually looking for problems that your product offers a solution to, you will be able to influence more and more the things you do and the people you meet. And the more effective you are in sales, the more successful you will be in every area of your life. Let me know if you are in sales and check out my new book, You Are in Sales, So Get Rich Doing It on Amazon. You find the link in description. Leave me a comment and hit the like button if you want to know more. Subscribe for the channel for more videos to come. Thank you.